Hey guys, welcome back. So the interior project has started. So we are trying to get the wall trims done to all the walls and also like change the wall color. So I'll show you before and after right now. So right now we're adding like trims to all the naked walls that we see. So let me show you. So if you can see, this is the wall we'll add. That's the wall we'll add, and this is the wall we might add. And we'll also add a couple of things around in the in this area, and then the staircase as well. So we'll keep you posted, guys. So the other thing we're doing is also adding wall trims up in those walls. Like, it's pretty long, if you can see. So that's the other thing. We need to do something about these arches. So there are two arches that we have, and we need to figure out something as well for these arches. So right now he's gonna probably do it up until this wall, and then eventually we will start trimming the walls once the other one is broken. So right now on this wall we are going to get a wallpaper which is going to be more Indian based and Indian themed. So wait for that as well. Hey guys, so this is the end of day one. He was able to get the because this was a very tricky situation. So the slope was, to get the right marking, it took him a while. So right now he got one in place which we really like. So he would add in like 4 blocks here, and then it would continue up there. So he's just given us like a middle demarcation right now, which we already like. So one here, he's trying to fill in there, and then right up here. So he's got it. So let's see, when he comes back tomorrow, he said he would be done by tomorrow. So let's see. He's got like all the measurements and stuff. So I think it's gonna go much quicker right now.